In this video, you will learn about number words. If it goes too fast for you, you might want to press pause. First, we'll practice numbers 1 through 20. I say, you say, and please memorize them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's count by tens to 100. To do this, add a T to the end of the word. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. How about really big numbers? 100, 1,000, 100,000, 1 million, 1 billion, 1 trillion. Notice in the United States, we use commas to separate the groups of zeros or to mark the place value, unlike some other countries where they use periods. Let's practice now saying numbers greater than 20. Basically, the rule is that you start at the left, say each number in groups of 3 or fewer digits, moving right. Let me show you. Look at this number. When you see it, think 70 and 8. So you say 78. 623. 4,208. Ooh, this is a big one, but we can do this. These are hundreds, thousands, millions. So we say 508,753,090. So you can again go backwards. Hundreds, thousands, millions, billions. 9,200,001. Now it's your turn. You will see a number, and I want you to say it. How do you say that number? The answer is 823,956. How do you say that number? The answer is 1,021. How do you say that number? Remember, hundreds, thousands, millions. 90,009,900. How do you say that number? 2013. How do you say that number? 789,330. How do you say that number? 4,020. What about very small numbers? To say numbers less than 1, add a th at the end of the word. Let's say some together. 0, 1/10, 1/100th, 1,000th, 1,000,000th, 1,000,000,000th. To say any small number, you can do it 2 ways. You can say it as a decimal. Say 0 point or just point and then the number. When we use the word point, that means decimal point. That's the word for a period in a number. You can also say a small number as a fraction. Just say the top number, use the word over, and then say the bottom number. Here's an example. This is the same number written in two different ways. If it's as a decimal, you can say it 0.25 or 0.25. If it's written as a fraction, you can say it 25 over 100. Either way, you can also say 25 hundredths. Here's another example. 0.6, 6 over 10, and 6/10. Those are three ways to say the same number, just as we have two ways to write the same number. Here's another example. 0.784, or we can say 784 over 1,000. Either one of these examples, we can also say 784 thousandths. Now it's your turn. Try to say these numbers. I will give you the answer. How do you say that number? The answer is 583.27, or 583.27, or 583 and 27 hundredths. How do you say that number? The answer is 1020.8, or 1020 and 8/10. How do you say that number? The answer is 65 over 78. This line indicates a fraction. How do you say that number? You can say 0.165 or 0.165, or you can count tenths, hundredths, thousandths. 165 thousandths. Okay, now I'm going to read this number to you and I want you to write it with numerals or numbers. Write the number 554.26. 554.26. Your answer should look like this, 554.26. Write the number 6 hundredths. 6 hundredths. Notice the TH on the end. Your answer should look like this, 0.06. Write the number 18,421,000.3. 18,421,000.3. Your answer should look like this, 18,421,000 decimal point 3. Write the number 18 over 3. 18 over 3. Your answer should be 18, a fraction line, and then the number 3. Write the number 700,003. 700,003. Your answer should look like this, 700,003. Write the number 1,300. 1,300. The answer is 1,300. You can also write it with no comma. Another way to say this number is 1,300. 1,300 is equal to 1,300. Write the number 25 hundredths. 25 hundredths. I hope you noticed the TH at the end. This is a very small number. You can write it 0.25 or 25 over 100. Write the number 615,984.08. 615,984.08. Your answer should look like this: 615, 984 decimal point 08. Write the number 18 over 3. 18 over 3. Your answer should look like this: 18 and a fraction line, and then 3. Write the number 1,003 tenths. 1,003 tenths. This number will have a lot of zeros. 1, 000 decimal point 3. That's it for this game. Play many times until you get all of the answers right. Thank you.